Motorola Revou 2 43-inch Ultra HD 4K LED Smart Android TV. Description: whether you want to play high-speed games, watch content, or browse apps, the Motorola Android Smart TV is an ideal choice. When you play high-speed games on this TV, it displays every frame of the action, allowing you to experience sharp graphics with minimal motion blur. Furthermore, thanks to this TV's Android 11 integration, you can easily access thousands of apps. And you can get personalized content recommendations based on the unified search, which makes navigating through a variety of shows and streaming apps a breeze. Product description: ALLM and MEMC. When you play high-speed games on the Motorola Android Smart TV, it captures every frame of the game, so you can enjoy crisp visuals without any significant motion blur. Android 11. Integrated with Android 11, you can access thousands of apps on this TV effortlessly. Furthermore, you can enjoy customized content recommendations based on the unified search, which makes it easy to navigate through a plethora of programs and streaming apps. Dolby Atmos. With 4D sound, you can enjoy a theater-like experience at home. This TV's Dolby Atmos transforms your home into a theater with a breakthrough 4D sound experience. Fast processing. For a smooth gaming experience, every gamer requires fast processing. Featuring a sophisticated MediaTek quad-core processor and integrated GPU, this TV delivers a smooth, lag-free experience. Dolby Vision. Thanks to Dolby Vision and HDR10, this TV produces vibrant colors for lifelike graphics. So, you can enjoy watching your preferred content in high-quality pictures with a wide range of colors. Low blue light. Courtesy of its low blue light feature, this TV safeguards your eyes against strain and allows you to watch for an extended period of time. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.